Welcome to the Belly Up Bar. It's a gloomy Saturday here, and I figured I'd make me a drink. I've got a brand new mug here I really like. Rodney. Rodney, yeah. So I'm going to fill this up with a cocktail called the NUI NUI. Comes from Bologna, Italy. 28% ABV, just right for gloomy Saturday. So let's get started. Calls for Rhum Barbancourt. I'm going to use a 4-year-old. And 1 Dorado, 8-year-old. All right, this is the Guyana rum. And 1 O.F.T.D. This is a blended rum, 138 proof. Lots of flavor. 1 of these. And 3/8 of Strega. This has an anise licorice type flavor to it. So 3/8 of this. We're going to get to about a half. 3/8, and I'm going to fill the rest of it with St. Elizabeth allspice dram. Just need a little bit of this. All right. And in 1/2 Coco Lopez. And 1/2 Persian lime juice. It's fresh. And 1/2, this is blood orange. I prefer it over the regular orange juice. This has a lot of flavor. Regular orange juice is a little bit too watery. And pineapple juice. Fresh if you have it. It's hard to squeeze it out, so I just use a can. And 2 dashes of Angostura. All right, and I'm going to whip this. I got a few cubes in the bottom here. I don't want to lower this alcohol. You can feel the can getting cold. And I'm just going to pour the whole thing to my mug. All right. And then a nice long straw. And the usual umbrella with a pineapple chunk. And this is from the pineapple that I showed you how to peel earlier. And there we have it. This is the NUI NUI. Hope you enjoy it. Give it a try. It's kind of a brand new drink. Nice tall mug. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.